Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over how to correct your depressed or low shoulders. And I had to split this video into two parts because I had so many methods I wanted to showcase. So in just this video, we're going to cover environment fixes, postural fixes, and bag carrying fixes. Next week, we'll go over the strength training strategies. The first fixes we'll go over are using the environment. You need to use armrests, supports, pillows, whatever you can under your elbows, which raise up your shoulders to a neutral posture. This is me sitting down, and as you can see, my left shoulder height is clearly depressed, and I'm trying to depress it a little bit, so I am kind of cheating. If we take a measurement, we come up with exactly 30 degrees. Now look at the support under my left arm. As you can see, this measurement is different and is now 21.5 degrees, which puts me in a neutral shoulder position. This means that if you have a chair, it should have armrests, which actually elevate your shoulders to a neutral posture. However, if you're sitting on a couch, in a car, you're gonna have to improvise a little bit. This is me in the car without using any armrests. And just because I'm holding the steering wheel high with my left shoulder, doesn't mean that my shoulder is high or neutral. So one thing you can do is put your elbow under your knee to help raise up your shoulder. These types of corrections are critical to make if you have symptoms that we talked about in video series 1. So what happens if you don't have anything to support yourself with? This brings us into the second set of fixes, correcting your posture. When I'm just standing, you can see that my shoulders are depressed, and I'm trying to depress them a little bit, but I have clients who represent exactly like this. I have a 27.9 degree angle measurement while standing up. Now what I want you to do is shrug up your shoulders just a little bit to get them neutral. And if we measure this, it comes out to be neutral at 24.1 degrees. And you probably don't need to shrug up as much as you'd think. Just shrug up a little bit and it should go a long ways towards making a positive difference. You definitely don't want to go around with the I don't know posture all the time. So getting back to standing with neutral shoulders, you can put your hands on your waist, in your pockets, but the key is just to shrug up a little bit, which will allow you to get into a neutral shoulder position. All right, so we've come to our last set of fixes in this video. That is fixes for carrying stuff. And if you can avoid carrying heavy stuff, please do it. But if it's part of your job, I don't expect you to quit your job. But if you can make your job a little easier, like using a cart, please do that. If it means rolling a suitcase around or whatever you can, go for it. I realize most people won't do this, but for those of you in enough pain, I know you'll likely try anything, so you should try this. I want you to consider which shoulder you carry stuff with also. Now, if you have a lower right shoulder, I don't want you to carry stuff on that shoulder. But let's say you have to wear a backpack or carry something using both shoulders. The question becomes, should you carry stuff with your hand or drape it around your shoulder? In my experience, if you have depressed or low shoulders, I recommend draping around your shoulder. I'm not sure why, but I think most people find it easier to get into a neutral shoulder position when you drape a strap around the shoulder. I think the forces around the shoulder tend to get more dissipated, so it doesn't as easily depress the shoulder compared to holding on with your hand. The bottom line is keep your shoulders neutral whether you're carrying something or not. So there are a ton of ways to help balance out your depressed shoulders. If you have pain from depressed shoulders, you should make sure to use all of these strategies. You should also avoid carrying anything that weighs your shoulders down on that painful shoulder. In the last video series, we'll go through exercises to help you out. But if you don't have these lifestyle modifications in place, the exercises aren't likely to fully work. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, ask some questions about depressed shoulders. Thanks for watching.